I wanna go down first.
Don't do that. There's no 0th floor. You're gonna go to where you work. No.
Please give me a chance. I never went down.
The last time you put down.
This is the elevator.
Push 6.
This is the elevator at the Comfort Suites in Cary NC. There's rooms in the basement. Wow. This is the Dover Impulse from 1999.
So there's an underground level.
Yeah, underground level with rooms.
That's where I work at.
Epic motor.
Smooth.
And check this out. It's got the old bumper. There's a view right here. Let's go check it out. Here's Cary. There's the office building. Not sure what it's called. There's Tryon Road, and kind of tree. Now we gotta go back down to the lobby. And it just left. Let's see which one will come. I think it's this one. This one has a sensor. Let's go down to L. And there's an electric car right there, but it's replaced with a sensor. Yeah, it's installed in 1999. Cab view. There are your fixtures. Impulse. That indicator is working, except it's burnt out or dim. That one. There it goes. That's it. This could have